So in this video, I will be unboxing the BM-800 condenser microphone and the F998 sound card, and I will be explaining what every button on the sound card does. So you might do well to watch all the videos so you understand what every button here means. So if you want to use it to record talking head videos like I am doing, or you want to use it to sing, or you just want to know if it is the right mic for you, then you have to watch this video to the end to understand the full video if it's actually going to help you in your case. But before we get started, I just want to let you know that the mic I'm actually using now in this video is this I don't know if you can see it. Yes, this is the mic I'm using. It's not actually a microphone. I have just adapted it like this to be a microphone. It is an AirPod. As you can see, one is not there. This is one. This is one I've connected, and that's what I am using as a microphone. So this is what I will be using in this video, and there will reach a point in time that I'm going to switch to the condenser microphone. When I switch, you are going to let me know if there's a quality change, or you just let me know about that. So, and this is actually what I've been using in all of my previous videos. So if you want to start content creation, you should not wait for the perfect gear or the perfect setup or the perfect tools for you to use. Just go with what you have in the beginning, and then you are going to upgrade as you move forward. So I will be dropping in the description the video that I show you how to connect your AirPod that you can use directly as a microphone, as that's what I'm using now like this. I don't have any mic, this is what I'm using. So I'll link that video in the description so you can go and watch it. If you have just an AirPod, a cheap AirPod like this one, you can start creating content. Don't wait for the perfect gear. And also, there will be timestamps in the description if you want to just skip from a particular section to another. There will be. So with that out of the way, let's do some unboxing. So let's begin the unboxing. So here is the microphone. This is the pop filter. Here is the cable to connect the microphone. Here goes on the microphone like that. This is it. It goes like that. You are going to feel it like that inside. Then this is the microphone support. Also, it has some manuals. This is a clamp to clip the microphone stand in place. Is it? Now it comes with one USB Type-C, one USB Type-C. This will be used for charging and to connect the sound card to it. Then it comes with two separate cables like this. In this case, you can use it to connect it. You can connect it directly with your phone. These two cables. Then here is the microphone. There is the stand, and finally the F998 sound card. This is it. Now, this microphone comes with there are two different sound cards that it comes with it. It has the V8 sound card and the F998 sound card. But this sound card it has more function more than the V8 sound card. Sorry. So that is all what is inside the box. As you can see, we don't need this anymore. So this is what comes inside the box. So now I'm going to show you how to connect all these and you set it up to your computer. So in this case, I'll be using my computer to connect it to the system. So first you have your stand, then you have your clamp. So you're going to find any good position on your bench. So you're going to screw it like that. Then you're going to screw it. That's just what I'm doing now. So when you screw it now, you're going to have something like this. You see, I can move it like that. Then you're going to fit in your microphone. And after that, the microphone holder, you're going to fit it here. So after doing that, you have something now like this. You connect, you insert your microphone. You see, it is very flexible. You can arrange it anyhow you want, any style you want. You can do that. Now you're going to connect your cable through the microphone. But if you do it now like this, you'll not be able to pass it through this stand. So it's good to pass it through the stand before you connect it. That is okay. Then is this one, this other head now that you connect it to the F998 sound card. I will not be using these ones now for this video. If you want me to do another video about this ones that you can connect with your phone, you let me know in the description. Then this is the pop filter. You're going to connect it. So you're going to connect your pop filter like that on the stand. Depending on the look you want. For me, I'm just going to align like this. You give it some distance. Then now that's your setup. Now let's connect this F998 sound card. So you're going to power it on. You just press and hold. It is coming on, as you can see. Now like this it is already on now. So you're going to connect your condenser microphone. You look behind, you have the label is there. This first port, you have your condenser microphone. You're going to insert it there. Then your Type C charger, you are going to go where it says ODG. You're going to connect it. Now when you connect it like that, then you are going to, this other end, you are going to insert it now inside the. Now once you have done it now like that, I'm using OBS Studio to record this video. So now once you have set it up like that, you come now to your settings, you come to display system, you come to sound. Now like I told you, I was using the Hogo airport. I don't want to change it now like that because that's what I'm using. If I change it, it's going to affect the video. But what you do in your case is you come here and then input, where you have input, you are going to switch it. When you tap it like that, it's going to show the F998. This is the case for this my system. You're going to see it, then you will select it. And once you select it now in your setting, then now it is okay. But I'm still using the Bluetooth. I'm still recording with the Bluetooth. So let me just switch. Now, then you tell me the difference if there's a big difference.
So I had switched from the AirPod microphone that I was using to the real system now. I could not show it live because I was recording directly in OBS Studio, but let me show you what I did to switch. So what I did is that I came here where it says setting, then I came to audio, then as you see now, this is my microphone that is here, the F998 setup. I just switch it here. I just switch it to the microphone. And then after doing that, you just come and click on apply, then you'll be applied and then okay. So that is how we have it now. So let's go now and let me explain all of this button. But before that, there's another interesting thing that I wanted to show you. If you look on it behind here, it has somewhere that it says earphones. If you connect your earphone there, that's what I've just done now. I've just connected this earphone there, as you can see. Then you can actually get what you are saying live directly. You can get your voice. Maybe you can make an error or so. Now let me explain all these buttons here and so you understand what each button does. The first one you see are these two buttons here. So this first one here helps to regulate your volume. You can increase it if your volume is low and you can reduce it if your volume is too high. Then this next one here this one below has to do with the echo. You can add echo, as you see I'm adding now like this. You can get my voice now, there's echo there. You can reduce it. That's a function of this other button here. Then next, we have this other button that is written special effect. If you increase it, you control the effect of all these buttons which are down here. These are special effect buttons that are down here. For example, I can play anyone now. You see, I can regulate it like that. Increase it and I reduce it. That's the volume. That's a function of this special effect button. Now, this other one here that's written record. It actually controls the volume that is going into your software or the volume that is going into your computer or phone when you are recording directly. If you reduce it, for now I'm using OBS Studio. Let me just show you the screen of OBS Studio. I will reduce it. Let me show you the screen of OBS Studio. So like here now I'm OBS Studio, as you can see, this is it. This is my microphone that is being picked up here like this. But if I reduce it, you can see, so it will help you to regulate the volume like that. Then the next button here, which is written bass, it just help to give enough depth to your voice. If you reduce it or if you increase it, it gives depth to your voice. This other one here, written mid, it just help to increase the clarity of your voice. Now, let's talk about these two sliders, which you can see here. This first one, known as a monitor, like I said, if you insert your earphones, you can get what you are seeing live. So this monitor now will help you to monitor it. If I want to increase the volume, I can increase it. Then I'll get what is coming. The volume will be increased. If I want to reduce it, I'll reduce it, but I'll still be getting what it is saying. So that's the use of that button. Then this one is written to accompany. If you can be playing a music on your laptop, this one you're going to regulate the volume of the music that it is playing. Then now we'll have this other section here, which is known as the recording controls buttons. This one's here. Now, if you press on this mute button, it's actually going to mute everything. Like I'll be saying now and you will not get anything that I'm saying. You see, if you press like that, it's going to mute what you're saying. Maybe you can be recording a video live and then somebody just interrupt, or you want to do something that you don't want people to get what you are saying. You can just press on that button and then everything will be mute. Then this other button here, it is just written BT. It can help you to connect your Bluetooth directly to your phone. You press on it and you can connect your Bluetooth live directly on your phone. Then also you have another very important button here, which is known as the denoise. If you press on that button, you're going to denoise and reduce background noise and all of that. You reduce it to have a clear voice. Now, moving to this downer section, I will explain what each button does and the best situation where you can use each of the buttons. So let's get to it. The first one is this primal sound. If you click on it, this primal sound, it gives you that natural microphone sound without any effects added on it. It's natural. You can use this when you are doing YouTube, you are recording YouTube videos, or you are doing a podcast. So this is the best mode for clean recording. Next, we have the recording studio. If you click on it, then it's going to add a studio style recording. So this can be the best when you're either singing or you're recording music. Then next, again to the right, you have the Pro. If you click on it, it's going to enhance the professional vocal tune when you are recording. It boosts your clarity and helps to regulate the treble and the bass and keep them on a good level. This can still be good when you are doing talking head videos like this, or you are recording a podcast, or you are doing a commentary. Then this next one, which is known as the Pop, it is designed for pop style music vocals. So it increases the brightness and the echo slightly. So this is also good when you are doing music or music cover, anything related to music. Give it that pop effect. Then there's the next one here, which is written MC. MC simply means master of ceremony. I've pressed it now. So this is what it sounds like. So you can use this when you are hosting events or doing public speaking or doing live shows. It makes your voice louder and clearer. Then this next one here, it has change voice on it. If I press on it, it's just going to change my voice. They have different modes there.
Like now, you can get my voice. It is like a female voice.
Then now you can get my voice. It's the male voice.
Then now you can get my voice. I don't know what this type of voice is. It's like chipmunks.
Then now you can get my voice. It's a monster voice.
Then now, so you can see, those are the voices.
So that is how it is. So that can be actually fun. You can use it when you are doing a comedy live stream, something like that. You can just use it to, yeah. Then now, this down section, this can be very good, very advantageous when you are doing live stream. For example, if you are doing live stream, somebody just said something that you want to cheer up the person or you want to praise the person, you just press on this first one, which is written cheers. You see, or if somebody says something that is funny, you click on the laughter, something like that. So this section will just help to keep your live stream very engaging. Or if somebody says something that is very good, you can just say, instead of saying it, you can just press. Awesome! So there are many sounds there. Let me just go through them quickly. I hope you have heard these sounds a lot.
I love it! You guys are so great!
You guys are so great. So you should give the video a thumbs up if you guys are great. So overall, I would say the M800 microphone and the F998 sound card is a very good buy if you want to do things like YouTube, podcasts, commentary, you name it. I can say it's very good. So comment down below, will you be trying something like this? Or if you already have it, what's your experience about the setup? What's your experience? Comment down below. And here on this channel, I'll be helping you to create better content. So if you're interested in creating better content, talking head videos, YouTube automation, make money online, and you can subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video.
I love it. You guys are so great.
You guys are so great. I like that button a lot.